Hello guys! Today we are going to be doing hide and seek.
Hide and seek.
In this amazing $700,000 mansion.
क्यों montage?
Rules.
नंदिनी को फेंक.
You can go anywhere up until the table tennis wala area. Niche anywhere you want.
Can you go inside?
You can go inside.
We can.
You can go inside. You can run. You have to run. You can't.
So it's hide and seek
जब
tag.
धप्पा होता है तब भागना है.
Oh, okay.
And धप्पा कैसे?
धप्पा नहीं
नहीं,
होगा.
it's only one tenner.
धप्पा भाई. हम फैंसी यूट्यूब पे नहीं बना रहे. तुम गली वाला hide and seek खेल रहे हो. Now we're just going to quickly introduce everyone, okay? देवराज आजा भाई देवराज.
Let's go.
जल्दी से dance करो बस.
नहीं. Ishan. I'm the den.
Suhani. Mahira.
Nandini.
Kia. Soumya.
Arjun. Hey guys. Angad. You guys have 2 minutes. 2 minutes to hide. This is where I will be sitting down for my den. 3, 2, 1, hide.
This is too much athletics.
This is really shady, but no one will find me.
Okay, let's hide there. Yeah, behind there.
He won't come there. Okay, let's go.
We are taking the most brainy approach. We're gonna hide in plain sight. I am now a mannequin.
Okay, I'm hiding in the downstairs bathroom. I can't बैठने की जगह नहीं है.
So guys, this is our setup.
I think we found a place. We're behind like this gate. I think we're gonna win. We're the best team, obviously.
I'm hiding in this weird ass plant area.
Soumya's like right there.
Okay, we're hiding underneath the sofa.
I found a place. I'm sitting in my lovely spot in my poop position. Ishan, please don't put that in.
I'm coming now. Literally 5 seconds into this whole thing, I heard a noise. I don't want to start off with the upper wale rooms because these people suck. Wait. How are you this bad at the game that I just started playing and you are already on the verge of getting caught? I can hear you guys running, you know.
I just heard him.
So this door just moved and we're gonna find out who it was in a second.
Okay, I hear people outside.
I'm coming.
I actually hear people outside.
कोई छुपा वुपा तो नहीं है?
नहीं इधर नहीं है ईशान.
Interesting. Oh god, okay. So I definitely heard someone run, and I guess they want to be a little frolicky. Guys, where did they go? So to paint you a picture of what happened here, basically there's this like machan thing that you can climb on top of and stand and just look at the view and all that crap. And there were 2 uncles over there and I was talking to them. And what I didn't realize was Angad and Devrat were literally right behind them.
Ooh, one guy went from here.
I didn't see them. I'm just asking everyone.
I could see 2-3 girls also.
I'm gonna check inside first.
I feel like Ishan is gonna check the rooms the last, so I'm gonna be stuck here for a while.
I think let's clear out the first floor so that we're more confident. So these are all the rooms.
I think I just heard Ishan.
This one. Maybe a little quiet so that they don't know who come. Oh no! I'm done.
He found me.
First one out. Come out. That was the worst place.
This was such a good place.
What do you want to say for yourself? Post-game interview.
Guys, honestly, I thought it was a great place. Just that Ishan is a hacker. I thought it was the biggest brain move because you're not going to come inside the first place.
I'm not gonna come inside. Cut to the clip of me saying, let's start off by mapping up the first floor. I think I want to start off with the upper wale rooms.
Meanwhile, at the Krusty Krab.
As we're taking a risk. बहुत बड़ा risk ले रहे हैं. But we're going down. Bro, I see Devrat right there.
Fellow survivor.
This is so stressful. मुझे सुस्ती आ रही है.
हम रूफ के ऊपर जा रहे हैं.
Can I just sit here in front of the roof?
10 seconds later.
अर्जुन, तेरे को कुछ करना पड़ेगा.
Someone on the roof.
Someone's on the roof. Oh shit, I have to catch you. Yeah. Oh no. I'm not coming up there to catch you, bro.
What up, Ajay?
No, why should I wait for you to go down? Oh shit, one is gonna run away though. You're hiding in a good place. I don't have to climb up.
Ishan, Angad.
Yaar, not worth it.
Oh, balle. Oh, shabash. Oh, balle.
Chase kar, wait, I'll help you out, okay? Let's have a deal.
There's no chasing over there. Chal, I'll give you a 5-second head start just to be fair. 2, 3, 4, 5. No.
Honestly, मुझे लगा था मैं यहाँ से ना U-turn लेके
भागेगा.
Okay, 2 players are out. Devrat and Arjun. How many are left? I honestly don't know. But I'll put it up on the map. Oh, let's go inside now. Bottom floor.
Oh my god, I heard that.
Devrat, कहाँ गया?
अरे भाई.
No, यार. मैं नहीं भाग रहा यार उतना. मैं थक गया. Damn it. These girls are just like hiding in actually good spots. I'm gonna go down. I'm just gonna go down to see if anyone is here.
Someone's I hear Ishan. I literally hear Ishan. Ishan's coming downstairs.
I thought they would be hiding in that house, right? But they can't because it's locked from the outside. And I don't think they're that committed to winning.
See Ishan's head. Oh my god, he's there. Run. He saw us. We're gonna run. We are spotted, guys. He saw us, right? I don't know. Is he not seeing us? Is that Arjun?
I have to catch you guys to get you out. Ouch.
Guys. Okay. Ishan just walked past me and he caught Mahira and Nandini. And Ishan walked past me, so I'm gonna go upper now.
Oh, Soumya. Nandini.
Shit, Mama.
Oh.
Out of it. Hi, Ishan.
मिला है लिटिल
रुक जा भाई. I really need water, bro. Can't breathe.
This king is live for these videos on the daily.
I'm God, guys, bro. Arjun, bro, क्या कर रहे हो, bro?
Yeah, I got first.
Okay, I'm not anywhere around here. Check out the situation. Guys, मेरी फटी हुई है.
I can't breathe. You're not out until I catch you.
You can run.
I was in such a good place.
I literally came here to get a drink. And I got someone out. I literally just wanted water. So honey's down as well now. The thing is, I really have to check every single room. I can't leave any corner unchecked. No. It would have been nice. Hello, hello. Is anybody lurking here? Boom! It was worth the try.
Quick update, guys. Terribly short on breath. No supplies left. No water, no food. Bro, if only there were like tankers of water. Like, bro, how तुमने कुछ नहीं देखा.
I think we should go out. Let's go.
I can hear them. I can hear them.
Heard that shed. I heard that shed move. I heard something in that shed. Kea, I know you're in there. Just come out, Kea. Kea.
Okay, guys, I just heard Ishan outside saying, "Oh, Kea, I know you're in there." Blah blah blah. And मैं literally यहाँ पे तब से छुपी हुई हूँ. पता नहीं कहाँ बाहर बोल रहा था बड़ा smart man.
You know what? I'm gonna trust my gut and go to the shed.
I can hear them, but I don't know where they are.
Come on, guys.
Oh, पतीले पड़े हैं.
Samay, I saw you look over there. Samay just glanced over there.
I kind of want to help you, but I also kind of don't.
Samay just glanced over here. But I already checked in this.
Subscribe.
You know, Angad is like, he's so good at this game. It's like, I'm not trying to make excuses over here, but it's really hard to catch him because, you know, he can run really fast. He has such good hiding places. And it's just like, I wouldn't, you know, I just, like, you guys can't blame me if it's so hard to catch him. What? Huh? Huh? You can't see me? Easy. Only Aryan and Kea left.
Low-key, everyone is so invested in this. Like, our dad is up there. Yeah, our dad is up there and he like knows where everyone's hidden.
Everyone is genuinely so invested.
Where could they possibly be? Damn it. Oh, so crazy. Like,
Guys, let me give you a hint.
I think it's done.
Aryan is inside a cupboard on the top. चलो पेड़ के अंदर चेक करो.
Bro, क्या नारियन अभी भी बॉयज कमरे में है? He hasn't checked.
But Ishan, he went to the left of that room. He went to the right of that room.
He didn't
उस
go
room में
into
नहीं
the...
गया.
Is he mad?
I heard them. Oh no, that's Pari. Ishan, honestly, Pari से पूछ एक बार.
परी, आपने देखा उन्हें? किसी को देखा? किया आर्यन भैया को भागते हुए. छोटी छोटी बच्ची हो क्या?
इसके अंदर चेक करा तूने?
I just know they're upar.
I think you should accept a bit of.
OMG guys, we found Kea. We found Kea. She's right there.
No cap. What does it look like?
Soumya always looks upper to check. She always looks upper to check. Guys, this is getting funny. If you want a ride back home, you have to tell me where they are.
Right back home.
Ishan doesn't even drive.
मैं अपनी गाड़ी में आया हूँ भाई.
ईशान तूने उस मंदिर के अंदर चेक करा वो वाला.
Ishan, don't be afraid to come first. Don't be afraid to be first. Yeah. Yeah.
This is full समस्या bro.
बता दो ना कब से मैं. Don't be afraid to come first. First. Bro तेरे से पैर के नीचे क्या है? जूता? अबे जूते के नीचे क्या है?
Soul, floor, first floor, ground floor या first floor.
और तू आप इतना दिमाग तो होना चाहिए.
ये first floor
ये नहीं
है,
बता
ground floor
रहा.
है.
ये नहीं बता रहा मैं.
First floor है या ये ground floor है? Wait, this is very slim closet. If KI is hiding here. First floor कौन सा floor होता है भाई?
तो डम है भाई. तुम लोग unsubscribe कर दो.
Light on करियो. Light on कर.
Oh my god guys, it's Aryan.
भाई.
And right after we found Kea, we all realized Aryan had won.
Do I tell you now? Do I tell you now, Ishan?
Then Devrat asked me if I give up, which at that point I had because it had been 1 hour of finding these people. So I was just like, Devrat, lead the way. And Devrat started telling me where Aryan actually is.
सीधा चल. हाँ, अब सीधा चलते जा. अब लेफ्ट ले ले. What? I swear to God he was here. Oh my god.
I won't be able to record now because there's no way I can record without a flashlight and they'll be able to see me. So I'm gonna keep hiding here. Also, I'm feeling so claustrophobic. I'm hiding in this part of the shelf, so even if he's opened these doors, there's a chance he won't see me.
What? I swear to God he was here. Oh my god, he is here.
That was insane. Yeah, I did. You won. I gave up. Aryan, your prize. Abey, model karna band kar. Your prize is a shout out. Oh my god. Oh my god, your knees are weak.
Follow me on Instagram. It's
At Ishan Vora.
No, I have to do an outro for my video actually. Thank you guys for watching the video. We hope you like, share and subscribe.
Crazy bro.
Last night was a movie.
Crazy movie.
Guys, bad news. We just found out that Sohani के चश्मे टूट गया. वो About hockey. Guys, one second. Guys, wait. Guys, Suhani मर गए. Suhani मर गए.